folks, got a little security camera sent to me by Anran. It's a HD wireless battery powered security camera. Batteries, it is recharged by a solar panel on top of the unit. It's very simple to install this device. It's only 4 screws to mount to the wall and point it to the area you want to pick. See. It's the Anran C3 solar security camera. It's easy to set up. Just drill 4 holes, 2 minutes. No need to ask any professional for help. It's IP65 weatherproof, handles easily in all kinds of weather conditions, whether it's rain, snows. This unit can pretty much handle any type of weather. The ANRAN C3 has 2K HD resolution. It can shoot with 3 megapixels, 2048 by 1536 resolution. It has built-in battery and solar panel charging. It's a 6-watt solar panel. Can charge one day with for about 2 hours sunshine for 1 day of power. Storage up to 128 gigabytes SD card storage. Need to be purchased yourself. With the Anran app, the unit has 2-way audio. This outside camera has a built-in microphone and speaker that supports real-time 2-way audio calls. With our Anran app, you can warn off thieves, screen visitors at your door, or communicate directly with your family or friends. Motion detection, sound and light alarm, capturing meaningful motion, PIR temperature detection to reduce false alarms. You can also customize alert zones to exclude unwanted alerts. When PIR motion detection sensor detects unexpected visitors, the solar security camera with floodlights and siren will automatically activate and send you an instant notification. The ANRAN C3 has color night vision, infrared night vision function, and color night vision function. Unit can work with Alexa, and you can always ask Alexa to show the footage. It's a very, very cool little camera. Just mount it, point, and you're good to go. Can't beat the mounting for simplicity, that's for sure. So now we'll take a look on the inside of the box, see what comes with the package. Well packaged in foam layers. You come with a 24-hour video surveillance sticker you can put on your door, on your windows, whatever it takes to keep the unwanted individuals away from your property. Be sure to mount this somewhere good. You come with a little small booklet, basically about your warranty service. Lots of useful information there. Of course, you have your manual for the Anran C3 camera. Shows you everything you need to know to set it up, installing the app, all kinds of good information in this that you'll want. And of course, let's have a look at the inside, the actual size of the camera, which from what I see so far, it's a pretty small little camera. So this is the actual unit. And there's your solar panel on the very top. That's the front of the camera. Anran local logo. Of course, your mounting, your bracket, whatever for mounting on your wall. It's pretty cool. And the camera comes with a USB cable, USB-C. It comes with a template for mounting your camera. Got a little template for drilling your 4 holes. You actually stick this on the wall, and it also comes with the mounting hardware. So you have all this comes with the camera. Very cool. And it's versatile, how to mount and go any kind of direction to get the camera sitting whatever direction, whatever angle you need this to be. Very cool. So I'd like to thank Anran for sending this camera. We'll get this one set up, show you how easy this is to install. Again, the Anran C3 is a 3 megapixel integrated solar battery camera. Two-way audio, talk to people on your property, works with Alexa. It's not compatible with Apple HomeKit at this time. The camera is IP65 weatherproof, used in extreme weather, easy to set up and install, 135 degree field of view, ultra bright spotlight and siren, smart PIR human detection, 128 gigabyte SD storage. More information can be found on ANRAN's website. I'll put the link in the description below the video here, and be sure to check it out. It's a very cool camera, and at a very low price. Can't go wrong.
The app now, you can get it on Google Play for the Android, or the App Store if you need that. And it's Anran. So we're just going to install that. Now, need to make an account. Right now, sounds like. Need to register by email. Click register, follow the steps to complete registration in the account, then log in. Sign up now. Email VO1MGS @hotmail.com. I agree. Whatever. Click next. And now it'll be a code sent to my email. So let's wait for that to come through. So the code is 8816. 8816. And gotta fill out the information. Password. Now we have to add camera. Press the power button, which is on the bottom of this thing. I charged the camera up earlier.
Press and hold the device power button to start the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Please wait a moment. Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Trying to get it to talk here now. Alright. Successfully. Alright. So we're successfully at it. Next. Okay, done. And we're ready to charge
Put
it up.
camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
Jeez. That's the video. Just so you can see the quality of it. Hi. Alright. Check for updates. That's just going through the regular stuff here. Got it. Go back out of here. That's the image. So we're going to set the camera up here now. So using the camera on the app is not that is fairly easy actually. So we'll turn off siren. Yeah, we don't want the siren on. We don't want to go tormenting anybody. And that's it. So that's the pretty much the control for the app. So on the bottom of the camera, you have your power button is on the right hand side, and the reset is on the left hand side. Now the video looks backwards here, but anyway. That's what it looks like. Camera looking at you. Camera versus camera. Alright. So the next thing is we got light. Oh yeah. That's really bright. Wow. Wow, that is wickedly bright. Nice. Cool. Alright. Let's install the camera. guys, that's the Anran solar security camera. She went right at the back door there. Hopefully she works okay there. I'd have her on the eave if we get a lot of ice build up in the winter. So I think she'd be damaged if I put her up there. But we'll try her there for now and see what happens. Anyway, that's the Anran solar powered security camera. Cool.